Hello everyone, this is Agamya and in our today's video, I'm going to show you that how you all. So today I'm going to show you that how you can edit the theme and background in Office. So if you change it in Word, it will happen in Microsoft Excel, PowerPoint both. If you do in Excel, it will happen in PowerPoint, Word both. So if you do anything, it will happen. So before I review, let's start our video. So this is my screen. First of all, we are going to what I'm going to do first, we will open Word, PowerPoint, Excel. Let's open these all. Now first I'm going to edit this in Word. Okay, so in Word, what you have to do is you have to go to account option. In accounts, there is an option of Office background, so you can change it the upper part. And I like these school supplies because I use these things in my studies and everywhere I can use it. Now here is Office theme. If you change here also, it can happen. Like if you do dark gray, it will be dark gray. See, everything will be dark. Your presentation will white, but yeah, your ribbon will be black, then a dark gray, sorry. And then here if you do black, then everything will be black. Okay, see, your page will be also black. Okay, then after that, if you get white, everything will be white, ribbon will be also white. Is system settings. So for system settings is black. Then like in themes, if you have taken, like in settings only, you can see here I have taken dark mode. That's why my this thing is also dark. Okay, then after that it's colorful. So colorful is that this ribbon will be blue, then this is be white, and this will be a gray type thing, like that. Now if I take white in this or colorful in this, is this thing will also happen in the PowerPoint? Yes, it will. See, colorful is also here. In Excel also the colorful is there. Now let us try to have a black theme. So let's take black here. Now let's check in PowerPoint. In PowerPoint also black and in Excel also black. So if you change the things in Excel, then the themes and all the things will also happen in PowerPoint, Excel, Office, everywhere. Okay. Okay. I think you all understood how you can change it. And this thing, when you will do in I can say when you will do in Word, it will also happen in Office. Okay, it will also happen in Office, but when you will go to Office and then see this thing, it will be not there. Okay, so you can simply, what you can do is you can change this thing, upper part of it, like this. You can change this part, or you can also see view everything, and it is so beautiful things, right? Now if you change this PowerPoint, and let's take a colorful theme in this. Okay, and let's try in Word, because I know it will happen in Word, it will happen in Excel. Now let's take it in Office. So is Office will have it? No, because Office only works with your that one. What I can say Office only works in your custom your one. Okay, custom. Okay, it's depend on the custom. So my custom is black, that's why it's black. So like this, you can do anything you want in Excel or PowerPoint. You can change the theme, you can also change the background, upper background of it. I also tell you Office, how Office you can change it. If you want Office, you can simply in settings, you can check it out. Like in settings, you can go to light option. So you go to light, Office will be also white then, and if you do it black, it will be black. So it is Office is dependent on your computer's category, what you have selected. So like this, you can change your backgrounds, themes of Microsoft Office. So thank you so much for watching. Bye.